I'm so tempted to walk out in this road. Cause why don't I give me the pass? I am inside. I need to find customer service, but I don't know where customer service is. Where is customer service?
Straight in the front to the left.
Okay, thank you. What I am here for, I am here for water, and I'm also here for, I forgot. Oh, and tissue. I came for water and tissue. Necessities. Over, I'm just looking around because it's fun too. Why not? So I found a brush, right? But it's not ideally a brush. So this is a brush 2-in-1, right? Nice. And then this is exactly what I want. However, they don't have this type of brush. What's that? Anyways, I'm not in the human section, I'm in the dog section. And I found this. You know what I'm gonna do with this? I'm gonna buy it. Because it's exactly what I want. Look. You're coming home with me, baby.
Welcome. Please scan your first item. 125. 125. Shopping at Dollar Tree. 125.
We set it out there because some people have a tendency to pick up everything when it's not there.
Hi. Where is the code in
It's
there?
on the bottom, like if you'll separate the
okay.
sides. Why they put it there is the worst idea ever.
Thank you.
125.
One thing for sure, two things for certain. These buses are going to delay. They are going to delay because when I was in Dollar Tree, they said that the bus was coming 4:49. When I reached here, it said delayed by 1 minute, 4:50. Cool. Then I saw that it was delayed again. I don't remember that time. But no, the last time I looked at it, it was delayed to 5:01. No, it's delayed to 5:09. I said, God, I'm very number. Is it this coming? I think it's this coming. So why them say the bus delay if it a come?
So, working on this. And I think I also want to.
Hi. I've been back from the store for like a good minute or two now, and I'm going to give you guys a little all the things that I bought. I didn't buy much because I didn't want much, so I bought like a few things. A few. The first things that the first thing that I have is this 4% tissue because because then I actually did bought this and I put it in my backpack because I never thought I'd carry this in a man and look like me I struggle on the road, and I actually took the bus, so there's no way I could have like brought it in my hand. It would have just been like a whole burner ration, all type of ration. I bought this 4-pack of comb. So you have a black one that I'm currently using, this red one, this purple one, and this white. There's a clear one in the bag. Here's it. So I bought this 4-pack of comb because as you can see, I'm taking out my hair because my hair is connected to my face, right? The skin on my face. So if my hair is dirty, like my face will break out so bad, right? So I had to like and plus I was starting to look very homeless, so I was like I wanted it to last for 3 months, but I can't do it. I tried. I was holding on to the bit of faith there was, but I can't do it. I don't want to stop saying like. I don't know how all these people like have yourself like months, but 1 month at the 1 month at the max, and this has been in my hair for like more than a month. So not like 2 months, but like more than a month. So it had to go. We have our dog brush. Bruh, this was what I really wanted, and I was trying to look for like a shoe brush or like a little brush, but I couldn't find any brush, and I wasn't going to leave Dollar Tree to go to another store because I was like, oh, this one got me yard. So I bought a you can see the paw right there. I don't care because it's going to get the job done. Like, look, this part I was trying to use it and it was brushing the you see that brush, and then the big up my dog brush. Big up my dog brush. Next thing on the list was these, because I'll be wearing my natural hair, so you need natural hair necessities. And about this because I have my uniform to wash. I work tomorrow, my uniform isn't washed. I want to get this done and then I'll just focus on everything else. But as like the quicker this come out of my hair, I just have these right here, is the quicker life will be for me. So I just need to get this done and then like everything else just fall into place. Okay, the all continues. We have this because as a natural hair girly, you know, even almost. So this is going to be the bottle for my conditioner water. It is so pretty. Like, it is, my camera isn't doing it any justice. Literally, it's not doing it any justice, but it is very pretty. So this is the bottle for my conditioner water for my hair to like get a little sleekness. Want to hear this? I'm excited. I bought this because I came here and I bought this one time, and from ever since I've been like addicted to it. So I bought this, and I also bought Summer Patch, but I had it like on my way back, so that's it. My total came up to $13.61, and that's everything right here. Yeah, so this video was supposed to be like a little update and say hi guys, I'm back, because I was going through some things. I'm still going through things, but it's not affecting me the way that it was in the starting of everything. Like, I was very depressed, I was very down, I was very emotionally drained, to the point where I deleted everything from my Instagram, from my TikTok, from my YouTube, because I just wanted to like be by myself, but I was not in the space where I could be by myself. And I cried a lot. Like, I have been crying because even like bruh, so I have been like crying, and my nana would say it's not good because like I can't talk about how I feel, and like get it, so pick up your thoughts, make your word flow. I have just been crying because a lot of things was just flowing in on me, and it felt like I was just trapped like in a world by myself. I was in a little box, and I felt very tight and very vulnerable in spaces where I shouldn't have been vulnerable, and everything was just coming down on me. So I was like, I need to like take a step back and just like focus on trying to make yourself better, because you can't constantly, well, not constantly, but I can't continue like going down the slope because I'm not home. I am very far from home. So like I need to like gather myself, I need to collect my thoughts, I need to like feel what I need to feel, but I can't constantly feeling it. Like, I'm not saying I should put it on pause, but I can't constantly like making it feel me instead of me feeling it. So like I allowed myself to like make everything that happen, and like everything that is still happening, like I allowed myself to like make it just go on, make it just run its course. And then I was like, it is still happening, but you need to get back yourself, as mental space. This is going to happen because of life. Like, life is, certain things in life is not really inevitable. Like, you can prevent things, but you can't prevent everything, right? Especially when you're not the only controlling factor. So I was like, you got to like take a you just need to say, all right, you do your part, and then you move on with the life. Like, you can't constantly beep on it. And somebody said this to me, and they were like, you put on this nonchalant act, and it just like, whenever did I expect this from you, come, I think say you were like this nonchalant person. And I I can be, I can be very nonchalant, but at the same time I'm a very emotional person. Like I am so emotional, so nonchalant act, like it does sometimes it leak at the most random time. So like at one point while being here, it's like everything just like around to my head. That was around the time of my when my uncle died. My uncle died in June, so it's fasting. The emotions that will come with the menstrual, housing situation, family situation, like everything was just too much for me. I'm just good about it, and brother, I just like there was nothing to do but cry, and all I did was cry, 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 and I don't want it to sound as if I don't have it. Like I didn't have anyone in my corner, because I truly did, and I'm forever grateful for all the people that like extended their embrace to me, even though I was so far away. So grateful for everyone that like was there for me, and like could have like them could have really helped me as much when it comes down to emotion, but like them still try to like put me like cushion how much I feel. And yeah, a lot has happened since coming here. I want to go back home so bad, but I can't, man. At time, isn't it? Time.